Alright, loves, welcome back to my channel. I go by the Craze Guru, Love Unspoken, whatever you would like to call me. First and foremost, what I need you to do is go ahead and hit that subscribe button so each and every time I do upload a video or I do go live, you're the first person to receive it and the first person to view it. And that bell notification so it's guaranteed. Let me slow down because I always feel like I be moving too fast and then my words be slurring together. But that's neither here nor there. So, anyways, I just want to come back to you with a quick haul. This is another Shein. What I tell y'all, don't talk about how I pronounce things. You don't want to do that, okay? But Shein haul. This is gonna be the classy edition. I've had this stuff for a while, and you know the crazy part is with this one, I was like, ugh, it does not fit because I always have to get a bigger size just because my bottom sometimes be bigger than my top. So that's why I like to get bigger sizes. So sometimes my tops be too big and then my bottoms still be too tight. But this is the first look that I got. So this is giving really corporate baddie. Very much like a nice what event for like I can't even think of it right now, and I'm running out of time because I gotta do a couple of videos, as you know. So watch me work really fast. But I'll come back to you. What is it, like a conference or something in that area, you know? But yes, this is really nice, and now that I put on a bra, it's so much better. But I'll be back with the next look. Okay, this is the second look, and this is all from Shein. Don't mind, do not talk about you seeing my wig lifting, okay? First and foremost, let's talk about it. Because what I like to do is let these mugs lift, so when I slip it off, I don't gotta worry about taking the glue off myself. So if you see a little wig, lace, don't mind it, okay? So anyways, let's get into this look. Now, this is the second look, and all of these looks are from Shein. Again, I have to get bigger sizes just because I got so much of this and so much of this. But this is really like another one, a nice office look if you work in corporate America or even just like an office space. Like this is a nice look. You can throw, you know, you'll see me jazz it up. Right now, I just got on some pearls, but you could do so much more with this. You really don't need to do a necklace because it's already given neck, you know? So you would be doing a little bit too much, like accessorize here maybe, and here, but not too big of an earring because this here. Anyways, um, but I really do like this. A nice dinner, maybe like going out for quick drinks after work. But yeah, this is nice. All right. Third look. Here's look number 3. This is one of my favorites. Like, it's not even just the color. It's like the two pieces. This is a top and this is a skirt. Like, I really love this. Like, it's given very much. I'm gonna tell you how to get a bag. You know. So you can sit on a panel with this, like in a nice conference. If you're at like one of those type of events and you're selling some of your items, this is a nice way. Like it's giving me real businesswoman, you know. And again, no necklace, but let me just hurry up. And it does have a zipper for me again. So if my person is around, hope me love a best friend, is around, you know, I'll get that person to help. I got a little attitude right now, but that's okay. You know, I'm a little spoiled, so you know how to go. But let me get you the fourth lick. Okay, this is my absolute favorite out of all the bunch. And this one too, but yeah, I told y'all I got so much lumptious, luscious, all good stuff. So the bottoms really don't fit, and the top is a little snug. But I love this one. This is definitely giving very much businesswoman as well. Like I said, another panel, but if it's like that type of atmosphere, you can be at your table selling your items in this as well, or maybe like a grand opening or something like that, a quick dinner with your girlfriends. Just it's given just and it's given snatched, you know, like ooh, baby, suck. But anyways, you already know who I am. Thank you again for tuning in to my channel. This is Be Craze Guru, Love Unspoken, whatever you would like to call me, love. I'm just here to encourage you to always do what you love, no matter what or who has anything to say. If you keep the right God in your life. But yeah. I just can't stop. Like, this is it, okay? Don't play with nobody in this outfit. Again, all of these items are from Shein. So make sure you go or head over there and shop with them. Um, yeah, I can't just like I know this ain't a mirror, but it's a camera, so it's like and it does have a zipper. This is another one. Like if that person is around, whoever that person is for you, I'm definitely gonna have to like have somebody zip it up. That person, you know, don't mind the face because like I said, I got a little attitude, but it is what it is. You know, flowers or something. You know, they thought I was at Walmart. But anyways, all right, guys. Make sure you always remember to do what you love and just stay positive. Like I said, don't smile through the pain. Work through it. Therapy has been very therapeutic for me. So make sure if you need that person to talk to, don't let it be a friend or a family member. Make sure you go ahead and seek a therapist. They're not bad, and it's a judgment-free zone, so you can tell them whatever. And they're there to help you through it, you know. And sometimes you be needing that because maybe sometimes you are in the wrong, and people around you feel like they cannot tell you that. But sometimes you are wrong, you know. So it's about I'm learning how to communicate. Like definitely yesterday was my session, so I learned how to say I feel instead of being accusatory and saying you, like making that person feel like they're doing something to you when it's really a feeling that they're making you feel, and maybe they don't know that they're making you feel that way, right? So just a little tidbit, like seek a therapist, you know. Yes, you may have some answers, but it's just nice to have somebody there to make sure that one, your feelings are validated, and two, that you're not crazy, right? So yeah, y'all, just remember always to do what you love. Pray to the right God. Not like this, but with your hands up. Throw your hands up if you know that you're a star. No, that should have been a gospel song, right? Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Thank you for tuning in.